Hello, grade 8 students. I am Leoneline A. Pipito, your math teacher for the school year 2020-2021. So, since your parents requested me to make a discussion for your fourth quarter lessons, now I am making this video lesson for you. Before we will start, please prepare your last for math because we are going to refer to that for notes. In fact, all of our discussions will be based on what is in your learning activities. I will not be writing all of the informations that I will talk about later so we can save time. So you have to hold your concept notes found in your math class so you can relate to our discussion more. Also, get ready a scratch paper and ball pen so you can try on examples by yourself. Also, get ready your answer sheet so that you can answer directly after watching on our discussion. So, to start with, we will begin with our first lesson. First discussion is on triangle inequalities, particularly on exterior angle inequality theorem. In this lesson, you will learn about the relationship between exterior angle and its remote interior angles. But what is exterior and what is interior? In our layman's term, or kung sa tuang language, si exterior, buot ipasabot, naa siya sa gawas. And si interior, naa sa sulod. Okay? So, what is exterior angle in a triangle? According to your notes, exterior angle is an angle that forms a linear pair with one of the angles of the triangle. What do you mean by linear pair? Linear pair. Yeah, aside from it is an angle that is located outside since exterior man siya, katong giistoryahan ganina, exterior angle is an angle located outside the triangle. Aside from that, ingon dinhi sa definition, it forms a linear pair with one of the angles of the triangle. What is linear pair? Linear pair meaning two angles that are adjacent and whose non-common sides form a straight line. Okay, take a look at this figure. Okay, 3 and 4 here forms a linear pair. This angle and this angle. Why? Because they are adjacent. Isa man ang adjacent. Nagtapad sila, angle sila nga nagtapad. And if you could still remember in your protractor, in our lessons in grade 7, if we have a straight line, it has an angle of 180 degrees. So that means that 3 and 4, angles 3 and 4 has 180 degree angle, or they form a linear pair, or they are adjacent to each other. So that means that in this figure, which has angles 1, 2, 3, and 4, exterior angle is angle 4. Can you relate to that? Angle 4 is what we call the exterior angle of this figure because it is located outside this triangle and it is adjacent or tapad siya sa isa sa mga angles nga naa sa sulod ani nga triangle. Okay, so 4 is our exterior angle. Do you get it now? What is an exterior angle? Okay, let's have another example. In this figure, what do you think is the exterior angle? Is it angle L, angle M, angle N, or angle O? According to the definition, exterior angle forms a linear pair with one of the angles inside the triangle. And basically, when you say exterior, it is found outside. So, no other angle found outside the triangle but only angle O. And as you can see, angle O forms a linear pair with angle M, which is angle M is found inside the triangle. So therefore, we say that angle O is what we call exterior angle. Okay, so I think you get it now. What is an exterior angle? This time we go to what is interior, remote interior angles. We know that interior is being inside. So we say that interior angle, in that figure that we have drawn a while ago, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We say that 4 is exterior angle. And so, we say that interior angles are inside the triangle. So, we can say that there are 3 interior angles in this figure. We have angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. They are what we call interior angles. But in our lesson, we will talk about remote interior angles. Are all of these angles 1, 2, and 3 are remote interior angles? Okay, let us take the definition. The definition says, remote interior angles are the angles that do not form a linear pair with the exterior angle. Do not form, do not form. So, ganina we'll learn about linear pair. So, exterior angle kay tapad siya sa angle nga, isa ka angle nga nasa sulod sa triangle. Pero kay si remote interior angles, dili daw siya makaporma or dili siya makatapad or dili siya adjacent sa exterior angle or ang angle nga naa sa gawas. So, in that figure that we had earlier, asa man aning tulo ka interior angles, kani sila, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3, wala nagtapad sa exterior angle or wala nagtapad ni 4. Asa man ani nila. So we have, clearly, we have angle 1 and angle 2. So si angle 1 and angle 2 lang ang mga angles nga wala nagtapad sa exterior angle 4. So, therefore, we say that angle 1 and angle 2 are what we call the remote interior angles. With respect to that exterior angle, which is 4. So, kung pangutanon ta, what are the remote interior angles of the exterior angle 4? So, our answer would be angle 1 and angle 2 are the remote interior angles of this exterior angle 4. Okay, do you understand now what is a remote interior angle? Okay, good. So, we proceed to our main topic, which is exterior angle inequality theorem. What is a theorem again? Based on our previous topics in third quarter, a theorem, it is a statement which has proven to be true. So, niyagi siya og mga daghan na mga proofs. Unlike sa postulate, nga obviously true na daan bisag dili siya mo go through og proof. Okay, so what is exterior angle inequality theorem? based on your notes, in your last, there are two exterior angle inequality theorem. First is this one. For any triangle, the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. Sa may bot ipasabot ana. Measurement daw sa angle ni exterior angle. Sa ito ang figure ganina, natay angle 4, which is the exterior angle, and the interior angles are 1, 2, and 3. According sa first theorem na exterior angle inequality, ingon siya, ang measurement daw aning exterior angle, kaning angle nga naa sa gawas, equal ko na siya sa sum. Sabi ng sum. It is the result of addition, right? So, ang iyaha daw measurement ani is equal kung i-plus nato or pareho siya sa sum sa measurement sa iyahang two remote interior angle. Hagalit itong remote interior angles ani, di ba? We agree that these are angle 1 and angle 2. Mo daw ni ang atong remote interior angles. Okay? So, si angle 1 daw, ang measurement niya, angle 1, measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 must be equal to the measure of the exterior angle, which is angle 4. Kani siya. So, kung imong tanawon, duha ka angle, duha ka remote interior angle in which ang ilang measurement kung imong i-plus. Pariha siya og measurement, ang iyang sum, pariha og measurement sa exterior angle 4. So, unsa man inyong ma-observe ana? We can say really nga ang exterior angle, obviously, dako gid siya og measurement. Kaya nga naman, yung iyang measurement kay pariho man sa sum sa duha ka remote interior angles. Okay? So, second theorem for exterior angle inequality. Where is that? Nara. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either of its two remote interior angles. So may buti pasabot ana. Ang measure daw sa exterior angle sa triangle, dako, kumpara sa measurement sa bisan asa ani nilang duha sa iyahang remote interior angles. So may buti pasabot ana. Buti pasabot, ang measurement ni angle 4 must be greater. Okay, take note of the symbol. Greater than either measurement ni angle 1 or kay either man iyang giingon. So measurement ni angle 4 is greater than measurement of angle 1 or measurement ni angle 4 is greater than the measurement of angle 2. Okay, do you believe that? Ano ka na siya? Okay, that is according to the theorem and we will discover that through examples kung tinuod ba siya. Okay, so let's have examples. So, do not forget that theorem ha, kaya ato na siyang i-apply sa ato ang pag-solve sa mga examples. Okay. We have there in your last, we have given examples. And I think siguro diyan nalibog po sa inyong notes kay naa siya sayo sa figures nga na din ha. Ay error. So first example, we have this figure. We have angles U, R, and S. Angle R measures 50 degrees. Angle S measures 120 degrees. And we are looking for the measurement of angle U. That is what we're going to find out. So how are we going to find the measurement of angle U? That we are going to use the theorem that we learned earlier. The first theorem that says, for any triangle, the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. So we are going to find measurement of angle U. What is angle U? Okay. By that theorem, we can say that angle U plus angle R is equal to angle S. Ano naman na siya? Diba si angle S ang atuang matawag dinhi nga exterior angle. Ina siya sa gawas. Okay, and it formed a linear pair with one of the angle inside the triangle. So, ingon man ang theorem ganina nga. Ang exterior angle, equal daw siya sa measurement sa, kung i-plus nimo ang measurement sa duha ka remote interior. Diba? Ang atong remote interior diri is angle U and angle R. Kay kanilang sila nga duha ka angles nga wala natapad sa angle S, which is the exterior angle. So, si angle U ug si angle R ang atong remote interior angles. So, therefore, ang atuang ma-form nga equation dira, si angle U plus the measurement of angle R is equal to angle S. Or, if we're going to complete this one, we have angle S, or what we can say, sorry, napadini siya T danihi. Angle U, S, T. Okay? Kini nga angle equal sa angle U plus angle R. And we have given, or we already know that angle R is 50 degrees according to the figure. And angle U, muna itong pangitaon. And we know that angle UST, or this angle, according to the given, it is 120 degrees. So how are we going to find angle U? Using, can you still remember the properties of equality? The addition property of equality. We're going to get this angle U. Yan siya. So, sa matong buhaton para siya na lang isang mahabilin din sa left side. So, we're going to use that addition property of equality, in which we are going to, para mawala ni si 50 degrees din mag-add ta og opposite niya. Ang opposite ni 50 degrees or the 50, of course, it is negative 50. Right? Okay, and then, both sides pod, because that is according to addition property of equality, pwede ta puno, pero both sides with the same quantity. So therefore, combining similar terms, 50 plus negative 50, that is 0. Okay? Adding numbers with different signs, we're going to subtract. So that means 50 minus 50 is 0. Then 120 plus negative 50. So, di man sila pareho og sign. So, we're going to subtract. 120 is positive, 50 is negative. So, ato siyang i-minus. 120 minus 50 gives 70. And we carry out the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is 120 and it is positive. So, our answer is positive 70. So that means 0 naman ni siya. So we left with measurement of angle U is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, diya sa inyong notes, mura siya 700. Kaya nasayop na siya. Supposed to be that other 0 degree nga symbol na siya. So, nahimo siyang dako, nasayop. Dili na siya 700, but it is 70 degrees. Okay, so that means the angle U is 70 degrees. Kaning angle, this is 70 degrees. So, as you can see, kung imo po na siyang i-plus, 70 o plus 50, that is equal to the exterior angle 120. Okay, got that right? Okay, that's it. We will proceed to the next example, number 2. Okay, before we'll proceed to the second example for our first topic, let me correct the last statement earlier about the second exterior angle inequality theorem. Katong gingon nako na the measurement of the exterior angle is greater than the measure of either of its two remote interior angles. Ningon gani kwato na measurement ni angle 4 is greater than measurement of angle 1. Nya ingon din ko or, dili to siya or guys, kundi and. Buti pasabot si angle 4, which is the given figure ganina, is the exterior angle. Okay. So, ito ang exterior angle ganina kay angle 4 man to. So, ningon man ko nga si angle 4. According to the theorem, si angle 4 greater siya sa angle 1, remote interior angle 1, and remote interior angle 2 greater gihapon si exterior angle 4. So, dili siya ingon nga or, kundi and. Which means, si exterior angle 4 greater siya sa measurement sa remote interior angle 1, greater po siya sa measurement sa remote interior angle 2. Okay, so that's it. So, second example, we have this figure. Triangle A, D, F, an extension point C, and we have angle A as 49 degrees, and angle D, which is 68 degrees. Sorry, this is B. A, B, C, D din siya. So, angle ADB. Okay, we have given the measurements of the two remote interior angles, which is A and D. So, itong pangitawon din guys is ang DBC, which is our exterior angle. Okay, so, tingnan din ha, sa second example, find measurement of angle DBC, the exterior angle. Kani siya. According to the theorem, kabalumanta nga ang two remote interior angles, which is in our figure, is A and angle D, equal siya sa atuang exterior angle DBC. Muna siya atong theorem ganina. And given naman din ha nga si angle A is 49 and angle D is 68 degrees. So, obviously, if we're going to add 49 and 68, that gives us 117 degrees. So, therefore, our exterior angle DBC is equal to 117 degrees. Okay, diba? Sa yun ra. Sa kabalo lang ta sa theorem. So we proceed to the activity 1. You are going to answer that, so get ready your math answer sheets. I will just elaborate on what you are going to do with this, and then after that, you are going to answer. So for activity 1, we have A and B. Activity 1A is very simple. There are two given figures, L, dr, with an extension point H, and interior angles ABC, and an exterior angle D. Diha sa table, you're going to complete the table actually with angle LDR, a triangle LDR rather. You're going to identify the exterior angle. So makita na to dira sa figure asa man ang exterior angle ni triangle LDR dinhi. So ato na siyang ibutang dinha, and then we will also write down the remote interior angles. Duha na siya kabuok with respect to our exterior angle. So unsa man ang duha ka angles diha nga matawag nato dinhi og remote interior angles. And also we have a second figure. CPDR. With an extension point N. And we have interior angles 1, 2, 3, and an exterior angle 4. Okay, ato sad nang write down diha asa man or unsa man yung exterior angle ni PDR. You write it down, and the remote interior angles also with respect to that exterior angle imo isulat po duha ka buok. Okay, that's for activity 1A, very easy. Now we proceed to the activity 1B, which is we're going to solve the missing measurement. And we have number 1 as an example. So, daghan kay tag example dinhi. Kung ato lang na siya masabtan, makasabot, maka-answer na kita sa tuang activity. So, for activity 1B, you are going to answer number 2. It has given figure LFU. So we have there a given measurement for angle L, which is 51 degrees, and angle U, 67 degrees. You are going to find the measurement of the exterior angle UFT. Kani siyang angle. Find angle UFT. Again, this is our exterior angle, so you may make use of the knowledge of the theorem earlier. So that's all for activity, for the first activity that we have, or for the first topic. So just answer directly after you listen to the discussion, so it's still fresh to you what you have learned, and then wait for the next video for the next lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.